So in today's video, I'll show you how to set up the DYMO Rhino 4200. Now this is an industrial label maker that comes in a couple of different kit options. The version I'm looking at today is the version with the case, the battery and the charger. There's also another version that doesn't come with the battery or the charger and is just the label maker itself. And I'll leave links to both versions below, so feel free to check that out. And this setup process applies to both kit versions of the Rhino 4200. So I've gone ahead and removed the outer cardboard packaging. Let's see what's inside. The first thing you'll notice is the quick start guide, manual, and all the other documentation. Next, you have the starter cartridge, and I'll show you how to install that. Next, you have the rechargeable battery, and then you have the AC charger for the battery. And last but not least, you have the labeler itself. And if you do end up getting this version of the 4200, it comes in a nicely padded foam case with a hard shell exterior. And this is super helpful if you plan to travel with the label maker and use that on job sites or on the go. And now we're going to install the batteries, and to do that, let's open up this little door, pull that off. And when it comes to powering the device, you have two options. If you bought the kit, like I did, with the rechargeable battery, the charger and the case, you get this rechargeable battery. And installing this battery is super simple. You'll notice that there are electrical contacts on the bottom of the battery and little notches right above those electrical contacts. You want to ensure that those notches align with the notches inside here. And you'll notice a set of electrical contacts all the way down there. And we're going to insert the rechargeable battery to mesh with those notches in there, and we're going to lay the battery down, push it inward, and then press it down till it locks into place. And then you can replace this cover, goes in there and snaps back into place. Now charging the battery on this device with the included charger is super simple. All you have to do is plug in the charger into this port on the bottom, plug that in, and obviously plug this into a wall outlet. If you ended up buying the basic version without the charger or the battery, you can always use 6 AA batteries, and all these do is kind of slot in to these 6 slots, 2 at the bottom and then 4 up top. And there you go, your device is now powered up. Now obviously let's replace the battery compartment cover. And to begin installing the cartridge, I'm going to pull on this little tab up here to open the door, and then I'm going to get the starter cartridge out of its plastic packaging. Now this version is the 12mm or 1/2 inch wide version with black writing on a white background. Now there are several other versions of this label available, and I'll leave links to a few versions below, so feel free to check those out. And to install it, it's super simple. We're going to place it with the label facing us and with that little embossed DYMO logo to the left, align it in that slot, and then push down till it installs. And then we're going to close this door, and let's power the device on by pressing the power button. And the first thing it asks you to do is select your language. Now you can actually use these little buttons to scroll through the different languages available. I'm just going to select English US, but obviously you should select whatever applies to you, and then hit OK. And then it wants to know whether you'd like to size things in inches or millimeters. Now I mostly deal with metric, so I'm going to go to the left, select millimeters and hit OK. And then it wants to know what label width you're using. Now we are using a 12mm label, so I'm going to scroll down to 12 and hit OK. And that's pretty much all you need to do to get it set up. Now let's type out and print our first label. And I'm going to go ahead and just turn on the backlight so you can see it a little clearer. And let's type in review lamp. All right, that's all I want to print. And then I'm going to hit the gray print button. And you'll notice that it starts printing out of the side of the printer. There you go, the label has printed out successfully. And we're going to use the cutting button on the side to actually extract our label. So press that down, cuts it, and there you go. That's my first label on this machine. And in case you're wondering, the best way to actually get the backing of the adhesive on the label is to actually just bend it right down the middle, and you'll notice that the actual adhesive backing separates, and then I can just gently pull it off. And I can do the same with the other side as well. And my label is now ready to apply. And folks, that pretty much completes our unboxing and setup of the DYMO Rhino 4200 label maker. And as I mentioned earlier, I'll leave links to this device right below the video, so feel free to check that out. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up, and please also consider subscribing to my channel for more reviews, unboxings, and how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.